Many a times our data set need to be combined by the keys instead of simply stacking them up either vertically or horizontally. In When we were doing the concat, we were kind of either stacking it horizontally or vertically, right? That's what we were doing with respect to our access value. But a lot of times with respect to key, we want to perform some operation. That's how we want to combine it. So how we will be doing it? Let me create two interesting data frame first. So let's say I'm just going to create some random data frames. So I'm going to say pd dot data frame, and now I'm just going to add some values to it. So let me just add that. So the first thing to look at this, I'm going to add, let's say, two columns here. So one is your city. So in fact, let me put it with inverted commas, city. Once I put cities, I'm creating this data frame with the help of dictionary. So I'm going to keep some values to it. So let's say Lucknow. I'm gonna keep Kanpur. Let's say I'm gonna keep Agra. I'm gonna keep Delhi. So these are some cities which I have just put across, comma, and I need to also put, let's say, one more variable, let's say, called as temperature. Okay. So now in this temperature column, I'm gonna add, let's say, some values, let's say 32, comma 45, comma 30, comma 40. All these are random values. Okay. I just have no as such meaning. I'm just creating them as random values. Now this is my data frame D1. Let's see this data frame, whether it came up properly or not. Very good. Awesome. Now let's create another data frame. Now this time when I'm going to create another data frame, what I'm going to do, let me just copy this from here so that I did not write it completely. Paste it here. So first of all, I'm going to change the name of the data frame to D2. I'm going to keep the city as same, just that I'm going to shuffle up my values here and there. Okay. So like, let's say I'm going to put Delhi here. Okay. So I'm going to put Delhi here. Let's keep it Lucknow, Kanpur as it is. And let's remove, let's say, Agra and Delhi. Okay, just random, some sort of arrangement is what I'm doing here. Now further to that, let's say instead of using this temperature, let's use the another column name called as humidity. Now let's keep some values for it. So let's say I'm going to define my values as 68 comma 65 comma 75. So I'm just created two data frames, so let's call it as D2 data frame. So I created D1 and D2, both these data frames. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge them based on some key. If you look at both the data frames, I have city column which is common for all of them. So how to basically merge these two columns? So let's do that. So let's say I'm going to create a data frame DF, and I'm going to say pd dot merge. I'm going to define my D1 comma D2 on which column I want to merge, based on which key I want to merge. I would say city. So as soon as I do that, now if you see the value of DF, you can see here that with respect to my city, all these city values, it is basically giving you the output. So that's how you can define it. And one more interesting way to play with this is you can also define what kind of join you want to do. So for example, you can also define D1, D2, you want to do it with respect to city column. So it's okay. You can define it with respect to city column, but how you want to do it. So you can say how, and you can define you want to do, let's say, with respect to your outer join. So once you do it, it is going to do an outer join. Similarly, you can also define your left outer join and so you can just say in how a left value. So let me show you. So let's say you can say pd dot merge. You can define D1, you can define D2, you can define that you want to do it with respect to your city column. So you can say city, and then you can define, let's say, how is equal to, let's say, left. Okay. So like this, you can just define your values, and now you can see that it's a different join. So like this, you can play with respect to your merging and concatenations.